In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Urban VPN. Very simple and easy. So this is how the interface looks like. You can get it on Apple Store and then Google Play Store too as well. So to connect, it's just simple. Tap on the pause button there and automatically it gets you a location. Yeah. So I tap on OK. It gets me a location automatically. The interface looks very weird, but then that's it. So I'm going to show you guys some of the features. So if you want to turn it off, you tap on the pause again and then you turn it off. And now you can select some of the servers. You see there are some VPNs that you can just tap on it and glance through. Here you can search. So let's say I want Australia. Good. You see we have Australia Premium and we have Austria Premium. We have Australia, which is free. I can tap on that and you see I'm connecting to that Australia, which is free. But also you can glance through the servers they have for you. It's very simple. Now let's pause it once again. And now let's come to locations at the bottom. And you can see all the locations here. Good. Yeah. So premium, free, you can glance through and get that. And the history, every location you've connected, you can see I've connected Australia. That's why it's here. And then your favorite, if you favorite a location or a server, you are going to find it at your favorite too as well. Very simple and easy. So also, I think there's everything, your IP address and all that. And if everything is being changed, you get to know your IP address and everything on here too as well. Here you see your upload and your download too as well. That's your speed, internet speed. And you can turn on safe browsing by just switching what you see here in the border box. Just tap on that to switch. You just pass through 1, 2, 3, procedures, enable, and you're good to go. So now let's keep that. Once you enable that, you also turn on safe browsing using the Urban VPN. It's very simple and easy. So that's it on how to use the Urban VPN. I have couple reviews on couple VPNs too. You can check them out on my channel. So that's it. Peace.